A bath fit for a sultan.
Ooh, oils. Silky, imported, expensive oils for that coconut fresh, all over, tingly feel. Iago, my friend, you are made for the finer things in life. Ow!
Fiend! What are you doing in the Sultan's private bath?
Well, Iago?
I got embarrassing flaky skin, okay?
I think Sultan's more concerned about the breaking in part.
It's all his fault. He said I could use the royal bed.
One moment with the bird. You'd do anything to save your tail, wouldn't you?
Hey, if you didn't live in that moldy old hovel, none of this would be happening. In the good old days when I used to live in the palace, I had caviar manicures, a reclining chair that vibrates.
Your Highness! Your Highness! A most disturbing message. Sultan, by now you will have noticed that you are turning to stone.
Father, no!
You have been cleverly cursed by a turn a man to stone spell. And only I, Abismal, possess the cure.
The fiend!
Turn Agrabah over to me, Abismal, scourge of the desert, or you will be stoned by nightfall.
Oh, no!
Cleverly cursed? But how?
P.S. In case you are wondering, it is your bath oils that I cleverly cursed.
Oh, well, good thing I haven't yet bathed.
I use the bath oils! It's me! I'm turning to stone!
You don't feel like you're turning to stone.
I am! It's happening! And it's all your fault! You and your hovel!
Well, we could use a new statue in the garden.
You'll miss me, won't you, Boo? Old pal!
Oh, I don't know.
Go on, joke! I'm cursed! Doomed! End of the line! Game over! Do not pass go! And it's all because I took the bullet for the Sultan!
Iago, relax. You may be molting, but you're not turning to stone. Abismal must be bluffing.
Really? Bluffing? Ooh! Yes! He's bluffing! I'm not turning to stone!